What's the meaning of commodity? Commodity. Commodity.
Commodity. Commodity. Commodity refers to a raw material or primary agricultural product that can be bought and sold, such as copper or coffee. It is interchangeable with other identical commodities, meaning that the quality and characteristics of one unit are the same as any other unit of the same commodity. Commodities often have a uniform quality and are traded in large quantities on organized exchanges. They are essential components in the production of goods and services and play a significant role in global trade as they are used by both producers and consumers worldwide.